Hi, Openg.
Hey. Yes? Binibidyo mo ba ako? Video ba yan?
Yes.
Binibidyo din kita.
Will you come with us?
Where?
The canteen. Yes.
Sige, I wanna take a break. I'll follow.
Hey, let's go. Don't you want to be with us?
No.
Why?
4:45 I'm going home na.
Ah, no.
Can you phone yan?
Ako.
Direct.
Ah.
Can you phone yan?
Wait, I'm taking a video.
And 70. Kaya yan, do.
Post.
You know, what are you going to do with the old phones?
We have the option to buy them.
See? They will buy them like...
Price.
I mean, does it make
For
you
sale.
look wider in that? If it doesn't, then
Why
I don't
would
like
you
it.
like
Let's see.
Would you like
Lighter.
to look wider?
Lighter at least, you know. Doon pumapasa sa akin yung mga camera eh. Pag
No.
napapaputi ako kahit konti.
Yeah.
Ayun, bumabaksak sa akin.
Maybe later we will put
Tingnan mo,
some
hindi
magic.
niya maano kasi
You have
hindi
to
sa kanya
configure
eh.
it.
Okay, let's go to the canteen. That...
Diyos ko, may bigla na ako.
Ano niya pa mga yan?
Ano, kaya na mo.
Oh,
Papalit pa.
Kasama cake. Nano pang natin?
Doon, nag-order yun pa.
Line soon na.
Let's eat that.
Yes, that's it. Oo, yung sintas ko.
Pwede ko kainin.
Talagang videographer.
58 minutes siya pa.
O, taga lang magkaya niya.